Hey, this is Chantel with WTI. I really enjoy listening to music every day, and I have been loving this Bluetooth speaker by W-KING. It's waterproof and sandproof, so being able to bring it to the beach or use it when we're out by the pool has been really awesome. It's easy to use and has some really cool features. The blinking blue light indicates that it's ready to be hooked up to Bluetooth, and the 7-color LED lights make this speaker so fun. The lights synchronize with the music, so it just makes you want to dance. I love listening to music while I'm cooking, so kitchen dance parties happen often. The sound quality is fantastic no matter what you're listening to, but I think the coolest thing about this speaker is the microphone hookup, because this girl loves to karaoke. So when my friend's karaoke machine wasn't working, we just hooked this bad boy up and had such a fun night. I love just being able to carry it with me wherever I go, but that's just my point of view.